Orange Play-Doh. Hi, let's make a no-cook Play-Doh. We need flour, salt, oil, Kool-Aid powder juice, and water. A bowl of measuring cup and measuring spoon. 3 cups of flour. 2, 3, 1 cup of salt. 1. Then let's mix it. Let's make a well. Let's add 1 cup of water. And 2 teaspoons of oil. 1, 2, and then let's mix. We're gonna use the blue raspberry lemonade powder juice. See, it's blue. Now we'll add the black cherry powder juice. I got the red Play-Doh. Next, I use the lemonade powder juice. Yellow Play-Doh. Next, we need the orange powder juice. Orange Play-Doh. The red powder juice. Purple Play-Doh. Sphere. It's like a ball. This is a cube. It looks like a dice. Pyramid. We can find one in Egypt. A cylinder. A can of soup is a cylinder. Cone. It looks like an ice cream cone. Bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.